Plot the line 2027 lecture. Graph the line negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. Negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. So we are given negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. One of the ways is to find x and y-intercepts. Whenever the graph touches the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So on the x-axis, whenever the graph touches the x-axis, what is it? Y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So your point is going to be some x value and 0 for y. On the x-axis, y is equal to 0. Similarly, so you have one point now. To get the other point, when the graph touches the y-axis, you need to set x equal to 0. When you set x equal to 0 and solve for y, you have the other point. So join those two and you have the line. So whenever the graph touches the y-axis, set x equals 0. Set x equal to 0, solve for y. Make the ordered pair. And this is the point on the graph where the graph touches the y-axis. So on the y-axis, x is equal to 0. On the y-axis, x is equal to 0. So find x and y-intercepts, draw a line connecting them. So let's do that. X-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. So negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 0. So this whole thing goes to 0. So you get negative x is equal to 5 or x equals negative 5. So what is our point? X equals negative 5 and y is equal to 0. Let's do the y-intercept. Set x equal to 0, solve for y. So negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. We need to set x equal to 0. So when you set x equal to 0, that whole thing goes to 0. So that means what? 4y is equal to 5. And y is equal to 5 divided by 4, 1.25. So what is our point? Remember, x comes first. X is 0. X equal to 0. So what is y? 1.25. So that's our y-intercept. So you have the x-intercept, you have the y-intercept, join, and you have the line. Negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. Set y equal to 0, solve for x. Solve for x. And when we do that, negative x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 5. Or you get negative x equal 5 or x equals negative 5. Negative 5, 0. To find the y-intercept, you set x equals 0 and solve for y. When you set x equal to 0, this whole thing goes to 0. So you get 4y is equal to 5 or y is equal to 5 over 4. Our point is 0, 1.25. So we have those 2 points. What are our points? 0, 1.25 and negative 5, 0. So that's right here, negative 5, 0 and 0, 1.25. So please don't forget, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 5, 0. And this is from here all the way to here is 1 and then 1.25. So we know how to draw the line. All right. What is the approach number 2? We start with our equation negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. We start with that equation and then we make a table. X and y. Instead of substituting x each time and finding y, can we rearrange? Remember, negative x plus 4y is equal to 5. So add x to both sides. Add x to both sides. And what do we get? 4y is equal to 5 plus x. Divide throughout by 4 and you get y is equal to 5 over 4 plus 1 over 4x. So now you can make a table. To make a table, you just substitute some number, x equal to 3. So when you substitute x equals 3, what happens? 5 over 4 is 1.25. 1 over 4 times x. 1 over 4 times 3. And what is 1 over 4 times 3? So it is 1.25 plus 3 over 4, which is 2. So what is our point? It is 3, 2. 3, 2. 3, 2. We need one more point to draw the line. So what do? You substitute x equal to 7, just like that. When you substitute x equals 7, y is 5 over 4 plus x over 4. 5 over 4 is 1.25. X over 4 is 7 over 4. So 1.25 plus 7 over 4. What is 7 over 4? 1.75. So you get 3. So 7, 3 is a point on the graph paper. 7, 3 is a point on the graph paper. So 7, 3. So we have the points 3, 2, 7, 3 join, and you have the line. I'm going to write this sideways. Y is equal to x over 4 plus 5 over 4. Y is equal to x over 4 plus 5 over 4. Please don't forget, x over 4 plus 5 over 4 is the same as 5 over 4 plus x over 4. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus b. And what is our slope? 1 over 4. And what is our b? 1.25. It becomes very obvious that y-intercept is 1.25. So that is what I did here. When you have 3, 2, 1, x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 2. So you have this point, 3, 2. And you have 7, 3. So 7, 3 is x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4, x equals 5, x equals 6, x equals 7, 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 7, 3. So join these two points, and you have the line. And this is George Mathew signing off. Good luck.